Welcome to the world of Mekar. Mekar is an Italian specialist manufacturer of airside equipment with sustainable solutions and innovative technology. Mekar is part of Italy-based Alisio Group, manufacturer of air conditioning products. Our factory near Venice, Italy, produces fan coil units, chillers, and condensing units. A dedicated factory for air handling units is based in Verona. Mekar Middle East is based in Dubai and has an extended warehousing and assembly facility in Ajman to cater the Middle East market. Conscious of equipment design, manufacturing process, and engineering principles. Equipped with sophisticated shear genius and fin press machine, 60mm thick ease-free panel fixing arrangements with special pre-inserted bushes and step panel for sturdiness, eliminating damage on the panels. Built with many features like elevated coil, extruded aluminum frame for motors, rigid bag filters, and more. Designed for higher degree of customization. ASHRAE complying electrostatic filter sizes. TUV Nord certified for hygienic application. Designed for low footprint. 400mm height AHU with HEPA filter. Compatible with BACnet, Modbus, and Profibus. Plug and play for installation and single point warranty. Encapsulated construction and AHRI certified fan coil units. Eurovent certified fan coil units with EC motors. Higher capacity AHRI certified fan coil units. TUV Nord certified fan coil units for hospitals. Designed for higher degree of customization with UV lamps, heaters, and PUF insulation. Heat recovery fan coil units. Versatile range of fan coil units to suit various applications. Certification for Quality Management System. Process Management System. Certified for Mechanical Strength and Performance. Certified for Performance. Certified for Performance and Sound. Compliance with stringent hygienic specifications. Certified hygienic fan coil units. Mekar has in-house modern testing facilities with calorimetric and ventilation tunnels to validate airflow and cooling coil performance. The designs are continuously tested and validated, which is an ongoing process for new products, developments, and customization. Testing for airflow versus static pressure. We have done more than 150 tests for various projects and achieved a 100% success rate for performance. Designed and tested to withstand typical earthquake conditions for complying with Universal Building Code 97. Mekar leading to Passive House, which are extreme sustainable buildings. Designed with advanced constructive system plus advanced cooling technology. Energy efficient filtration and ionization for better living. Balancing of ionization is essential for homes and offices. Mekar was chosen for design flexibility and low noise application. The Burj Khalifa was designed with Mekar fan coil units for absolute low noise application from perforated inner skin lining. In the Palm Jumeirah, Mekar performed installations in the Royal Atlantis, Sofitel Hotel, Anantara Residences, Movenpick Hotel, and Fairmont Hotel. TUV Nord certified hygienic AHUs. Hotel surrounded by Formula One racetrack. Unique double-skin construction fan coil units with IP44 and EC motors. Special design with low-height ceiling-suspended AHUs. Fan wall technology designed with IE4 EC motors for AHUs. TUV Nord certified hygienic AHUs. Jumbo AHUs with 100 millimeter casing thickness, tested and compliant with Seismic Zone B. TUV Nord certified hygienic AHUs.